Hello people of YouTube, Trains, Planes, Games here, and it's time for the first of a new series I'm doing called Bukkit Plugin Tutorials. This will be for all you coders out there who are interested in making plugins for Bukkit but are not quite sure how. So this episode is primarily going to be downloading everything, setting everything up. So the first thing you're going to need to download is the Java JDK or Java Development Kit. So you're going to go to, if you just Google Java JDK and click on the first link, I'll go back. If you just Google Java JDK, click on that link, should take you to this page, and then you'll just click download here. You only need to click JDK, you don't need to click any of these, just JDK. After you do that, you're going to need to download the Eclipse IDE, which you use to actually put in the code for your plugin. Web address is pretty simple to remember, and I can't put any of these in the description yet that are direct links. Kinda sucks, but eclipse.org/downloads. And of course it'll detect your operating system and give you different selections for this, but you're going to want to go for the Eclipse Classic, which I believe is what I have. So you just download one of those. And the final thing you're going to need to download is the Bukkit API snapshot, which you'll go to wiki.bukkit.org/plugin_tutorial. Yes, Bukkit has their own plugin tutorial, but it doesn't go very in-depth. So if you just go here and click on 4.2, reference the Bukkit API. Click on this link here that says Bukkit API Development Snapshot, and that will download to wherever you set it to, depending on your browser. And once you've got all that, you're going to go through all the installations for the JDK and Eclipse. After you've done that, open up Eclipse, and you should see something like this, blank screen and a bunch of buttons. You won't see any of this stuff on the left, because those are projects I have. So speaking of projects, we need to make one for the plugin. So you're going to go to File, New, Java Project. Name it your plugin, so I'm just going to name this one YouTube Plugin. And it will automatically configure everything for you. Just click Finish down there at the bottom. And nothing will appear in this center area, but you should see whatever you named it appear over in this left box. So the first thing we're going to need to do is, you downloaded the Bukkit API, you're going to have to reference that. So right click on YouTube plugin, go down to Properties, Java Build Path. Yeah, I need to remove that. Add external jars. I'm just gonna find that one there, which is one I downloaded a while ago. You'll press OK. Let me just check. Okay, I need to. Sorry, I just have to delete a few things that I had from a while ago. Okay, everything should be clean now. Alright, so now you'll see reference libraries here, and you'll see that. But we're not done just yet. You need to go back into Properties, and you need to go to Javadoc location, and this is going to be http://jd.bukkit.org/API docs. And you'll click Apply. Okay. So now you will be able to tell what kind of stuff your plugin has. So I'll do one more thing here, and that will be creating a package, and then after that I will end this first tutorial, which is going to be kind of short, and then the next tutorial will be adding a command to your plugin. So you're going to need to make a package to put everything in. You'll right click on SRC, New, Package. A source folder should be your plugin name, which you have over here, /src. You're going to title this anything you want, really, but it should be something along the lines, and I'm going to name mine tpg.plugin .youtube. So it could be whatever you want. Just make sure to put it would be good if you put username plugin name. So I'm just gonna, it doesn't really matter, because that can be configured later. So then under source here, src, you should see whatever you defined as your package. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for the next tutorial, which should come out soon. That's all. Goodbye. Trains, planes, games, and more. Subscribe.